Mullet fish besar is a traditional Odia dish from Odisha, India. Let's start this simple recipe how to make it. Take half kg mullet fish, clean and cut the fish into small pieces. Marinate the turmeric powder and salt and mix well. Take 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red dry chilies, garlic and ginger and add some hot water. And another bowl, take dry mango and also add some hot water. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat until it reaches 175 degrees centigrade. Place the fish in the hot pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the edges start to turn golden brown. Use a spatula to carefully flip the fish over. If the fish sticks, don't force it instead. Loosen it gently with the spatula. In a blender, make a smooth paste. Heat oil in a pan or cooking pot. Add some mustard, cumin, dry chilies and add onion and saute onion until golden brown. Add the mustard paste, turmeric, coriander powder, red chilli powder and salt. Mix well. Add the fish pieces and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 3 big pieces tomato. Add some chilli. Add some boiled water and mix well. Add dried mangoes. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish is cooked. Garnish with green coriander leaves and serve with rice or roti. Now, serve and enjoy.